Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check which graphics card you are using on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So I will show you three methods by which you can check your graphic card's name. For that you just need to right click on your start menu icon. The first step, right click and go to device manager. Here you will get our display adapters, so expand that one, and here you will get all your graphic card. Here is my onboard graphic card and here is my 3070 Ti. Also you can check from your task manager. For that you just need to right click and click on task manager, and after that click on these performance tab over here from your left side, and if you click on GPU 0 and GPU 1, you will see your graphic card name over here. As you can see, the last step is you just need to go to your start or search window and type dxdiag and press enter from your keyboard, and if you click on display, it will show your graphic card name. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.